कोविडाच्या टायमार आमी सगळे जाणा की ऑक्सिजनाची शॉर्टेज आसली आनी खूब कितें कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आमकां पळोवपाक मेळ्ळे. आयज आमच्या वांगडा काही असे स्टुडंट्स आसा जेंच्यांनी ऑक्सिजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर तयार केला. तुमचें नांव?
Okay, so my name is Kinan Cardozo, and these are my colleagues. That is Shaul Ahmed, Sahil Chitrapur, Nirbhay Borkar, and Akshay Batule. We are the students of Don Bosco College of Engineering, Fathodda. So basically this is a project that we have made. We came up with this idea during the second wave of the COVID pandemic, when India faced a shortage in the oxygen, for medical grade oxygen. That time they had to import oxygen concentrators from abroad, like countries like France, Israel and all. But those concentrators were like very costly, and they didn't produce the quality or the amount, like the quantity of oxygen required. So with that, keeping that idea in mind, this inspired us to make our oxygen concentrator project. So basically what happens here is that now atmospheric air that consists of 78% of nitrogen, then 21% of oxygen and other gases which are there, it takes in the oxygen through a compressor and reduces the temperature in a heat exchanger. So this is done so that the chemical that we use is called as zeolite, which basically does the job of separating the oxygen from the atmosphere. So once the oxygen is separated, we store it in a surge tank, then which is then passed to some pressure regulators to adjust the pressure according to the patient's needs. And it is through this humidifier bottle and then supplied through the mask to the patient.
Okay.
So right now we've got help from like Goa State Innovation Council for our funding, and also we have applied for this Nidhi Prayas, that is funding that is around for to get a startup running like that. Yeah, okay. So basically another thing that our oxygen concentrator has is the feature it has is that the real-time monitoring system. Say for example, you have any relative or someone who's at home or somewhere else, and you're like away from them. You can track their vitals like from where you are. Also another thing is our concentrator. We've after making all the parts, it comes to around 50,000. Like the commercial ones which are currently available in the market, they start only at like around 1 lakh or above. So that's another thing that we aim to reduce the cost and provide good quality and quantity. That is the LPM. The required flow rate, that is 15 liters per minute at 90% or above oxygen purity.